Welcome, dear children. History, Standard 6th, Lesson number 10, Ancient India Cultural Part 2. Life of the People. The literature of ancient India sheds light on the way of life of the common people of the time. Those were prosperous times due to the flourishing internal as well as foreign trade. The society was divided into different castes. There were organizations of traders as well as artisans. These organizations were called shrenis. Trade. Trade was carried out by sea as well as land routes. Indian goods like fine textiles, ivory, precious stones, spices, beautifully made earthen pottery were in great demand in foreign countries. The diet of the people included food items made from these besides meat, fish, milk, ghee, and fruits. The people mostly wore cotton garments through silk and woolen garments were also worn. Their clothes resembled today's dhoti, uprain, mundase, sari, etc. The concept of stitching clothes was introduced in India during the Kushana period. Science. Indian medical science is known as Ayurveda. It has a very old tradition. It seeks to understand the symptoms of an illness, its diagnosis, and treatment. Also, much thought has been given to prevention of illness. Jivaka was a well known Vaidya at the court of King Bimbisara. The Charaka Samhita contains detailed information about clinical diagnosis and pharmacy. It was written by Charak. Shushruta. The famous surgeon Shushruta has discussed the diagnosis of different ailments and their remedies in his treatise, the Shushruta Samhita. The importance of this text is that it discusses the different causes leading to injuries, fractures, their types, and various types of surgeries required for them. The text was translated into the Arabic language and was called Kitabe Susud. Vagbhata also wrote many books on medical science. The Ashtang Sangraha and Ashtang Hridaya Samhita are the most important of them. The Bauddha Bhikkhu Siddha Nagarjuna in his book Rasa Ratnakara describes various chemicals and metals. Mathematics and astronomy. The ancient Indians had studied mathematics and astronomy at great depth. Indians were the first to use the numerals 1 to 9 and 0. They invented the concept of decimal system in which the value of a digit changes according to its place. Ekam, daham, units, tens, etc. The scientist Aryabhatta wrote the book Aryabhatiya, which included many formulae for mathematic operations. Aryabhatta was also an astronomer. He stated that the earth revolves around the sun. Thank you.